Congratulations for completing the Ninja Challenge 101 and welcome to the second part of the challenge. You have learned a lot about the basics of Flutter. I hope you've also had a lot of fun and, well, you've gained experience, which is really important. This challenge is going to be a bit different. You already possess 70% of the knowledge required to finish the task. To get the remaining 30% of the knowledge, you will need to use your internet searching skills. You have to keep in mind that you may not always know some properties of some widgets, and you will need to find them on your own. Once you've realized how exactly you can get the information you look for, the next time while trying to find the right widget or property, you will know how to get the results a lot faster. It's all about practice. Moreover, the aim of the challenge is exactly to simulate your real job scenario. And as you know, it's better to make mistakes and fail now, rather than on the job. Remember, this challenge won't only test your gained knowledge. It's also about what other kinds of knowledge you can acquire on your own by being resourceful. So, we would strongly recommend that you not spend more than 3 days on trying to solve this project by yourself. Look at the solution as soon as you finish your 3rd day. This way, you will get a lot of experience, which is the main goal of the course, but also you won't waste your time if you struggle with some issue you're not able to understand. Now, let me show you the project you have to build. This is a Launchpad application where you press a button and the sound plays. I'm not a very good musician, but it looks amazing and it's super fun, isn't it? Well, first things first, we've prepared a file for you with all the materials you need to have in order to start working on the application. This way, it will be a lot easier for you to begin the whole building process. So head over to the link in the resources of the video and then open the GitHub link. Now click on the code button and copy the link from here. Let's go back to the Android Studio and click on these 3 dots. I'm gonna choose the Get from Version Control option. And in the URL bar, I am going to paste the project link which we've copied earlier. We can hit clone to download the project. Let's wait a second. And here it is. Now let's click on Run Flutter pub-get to get all the packages. You can see that the main.dart is in the library folder and you may start coding the app. But wait, it's really important for you to know that if you already have another project open, like for example my Dashitar app, then you can go to File, select New, and click on Project from Version Control to download the Launchpad starting project from GitHub. The color codes are as follows. Pause the video to note them down. Or you can choose your own colors from the internet by using a Chrome extension called Colorzilla. It's very easy to use. Just install it from the Chrome Web Store, then click on it and press Page Color Picker Active. Now, wherever you hover your cursor, you can see the color code appear on top. So, click on the color you like and it will be copied as shown in here. Finally, just before you start, I would like to give you a small hint about what you can search on the internet. In order to get this effect, you can search for linear gradient flutter. To make the borders a bit rounder, you can Google border radius container. Now, when it comes to the main part, you can observe that the color of the button changes to white when we press it, and returns to the original state after 0.5 seconds. Well, it can be done by adding an async to the onPress function and writing this line to pause the execution of the rest of the code for 500 milliseconds. Lastly, we would like to add one of our favorite quotes. God gives the hardest battles to his mightiest soldiers. Oh, the best!